Alright, we're going to be doing word problems and formulas and using the quadratic formula some more. So reviewing the formulas, if I need to solve for C, I'm going to divide by what's next to it. Then I'm going to get rid of the power of 2 by square rooting both sides, so C equals the square root of E divided by M. Here, if I'm solving for T, first I want to isolate my radical. Then to get rid of this radical, I'm going to square both sides. So T equals, I can R squared, X squared. This and this are equivalent. So these word problems are quite lengthy. The width of a rectangle is 3 less than the length. So I have a rectangle. The area is 11 feet. Area equals length times width for a rectangle. So 3 less than is going to be x minus 3, and that means the length is x. So area equals length times width. Order doesn't matter, but it's like that. Distribute. We're going to write this in standard form and use the quadratic formula to solve. So I'm going to bring the 11 over here. It'll be negative. A is 1, B is negative 3, C is negative 11. I'm going to pause. So if, just wrote down the formula for you. So I copy it over with parentheses. Plug in my ABCs. A, B, C. Watch my signs. 3. So 9. That's going to be positive 44. So it's going to be 3 plus the square root of 53 over 2. Now notice I'm only using the plus because this is a measurement. I'm not going to have a negative measurement. Sorry, and it's in simplest radical form. So that would be x. And the width would be 3 less than. Okay, an isosceles triangle has legs x and a hypotenuse of 9. So hypotenuse means Pythagorean theorem. An isosceles means both legs are the same length. So x squared plus x squared equals 9 squared. 2x squared equals 81. Set it equal to 0. I'm going to bring the 81 over. So I have A is 2, B is 0, C is negative 81. So A is 2, B is 0, C is negative 81. So this is not there. So it's all what's under here. We don't even have the negative because it's a measurement. It will be positive. Times 81. 648 square root of 648 out divided by 4. So I'm rounding it approximately to 6.4 centimeters using the calculator. Alright, again, Pythagorean, hypotenuse, triangle. The hypotenuse is 13. One leg is 2 inches longer than the shorter leg. 2 more than the shorter leg. So AB squared equals 13 squared. This needs to be FOILed out. I have 2 of them. X squared plus, I got x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 equals 169. So careful, I do have 2x squared. I have 4 x's. I want to bring this 169 over. So if I subtract it from both sides, I have negative 165. We are just going to plug this into the quadratic formula. Again, a measurement. I don't need the negative one. Negative 4 plus over 4. 16. This will be positive. 4 times 2 times 165. 1320. Alright, so let's just solve for x. Let's plug this in the calculator and let's round it to 1 decimal place. Just be careful. I'm going to do the numerator all in a set of parentheses so that I'm dividing everything by 4, which is my denominator. Get out of there, close my numerator, divide by the denominator. I'm going to round this to 8.1 inches. This is approximate. You would be told where to round. And that's the shorter leg. The longer leg is 2 more than that. So it'd be 10.1.